Hi guys, good morning all of you in the trading room. This is Steve Ray from the Welcome Trader. Today is Friday, January 24th. It is 9:25 a.m. Normally I use Texas Renko 4 or Uni Renko 2. This is all we doing for the education purposes. Market is going to open in a couple of minutes. We are looking opportunity. I have no idea what will happen. According to WTS software, we have sell opportunity. We will going to place a short order later. Let me see what happen if market go up and down against a little bit. Please do not panic. Market always behaves up and down. I am with you. We will guide you.
Order filled.
Okay, let me see what happened. And I have no idea what will happen. It might be a go little bit against us. Okay, that's okay. We're not a panic. And by the way, if they go against us, we have already stop loss 18 or 15, and our short is from the 1813. And I have no idea, but sell zone telling me it will go down more, and if the sell zone, by the way, go to the up to 6, we still not a panic. We know our our trading room rules. We have a short 1813. Is sometime they hit up to the 1813, one tick above, and we should not panic. We have a stop loss 1815, and let me see what happened. Market drop last night too much, but the people throwing the buy order, but no, I just follow the whatever the software say. And according to software, they have a sell opportunity. I will go to with the software, and let me see what happens. So it might be I'm just thinking might be little bit going to against us, but I should not be panic. I'm with you today. It's little bit tough, but I have a hope, because the direction is 4. That's the good, that's the good sign today, and let me see what happens, So I'm still telling you, if the market go against us like one candle, we should not panic, so market does behave like that, and I just want to drop the direction should be dropped to the 4 3, and this will run I believe the couple of point more. Let me see what happen. And okay, sell zone is a 4. Okay, this should be the more point, and do not panic. Do not panic if they go against us little bit. We should not panic, and now I'm positive, and we have a 7 point. It might be today is a good day, because sell zone telling me the more selling side, so I'm just looking the sell zone they're telling me the more okay, It's telling me the little bit upside, but I'm not a panic. Okay, that's good because that's good. It is sell zone 3. Sell zone 3 mean is couple of point mean more sell on sell side. Okay, so this is good, and I'm hoping we should have a because sell zone 2 is it meaning is that telling me there is a more sellers are on the market, and I should not panic, you guys should not panic if they go a little bit 1804 is above. No, you should not panic. This is a new opportunity started. We have a 1806 is a stop loss. So if the stop loss is going to be hit, we are going to be exit. But if the stop loss is not hit, we still stay in the trade, and market does like up and downs, just scared us, I'm not a panic. You might be thinking, oh, this may be, the direction is 5, that's the telling me is still the downside trend, it did not reach to the buy side trend yet, and let we see. I have no idea, but according to WTS software, oh, sell zone 3, that's the telling me the more pressure is a downside. It may be the 4-5 point is more down. If the sell zone is hitting the 3, that's the telling me the more sell zone side. So I hope we have I have no idea, but let me see what happens. And I'm positive today is a good day, but I still don't see any exit yet. Stay in the trade. So that's the beauty of this software. They keep you in the trade, and they guide you on the trade side. Okay, so this maybe we have a more than maybe we still have a our direction zone is a 4, that's they telling me more sellers, so maybe we hit the more couple of point, so I have no idea. Let me see what happens, So hey guys, stay in the trade. I'll be back in a couple of minutes, and do not panic. Today I still looking the like a zone is like between is a 3 and 4. 3 and 4 it means have a more sellers. We should not panic. If they even though go to the 5, that does not meaning we have already stop loss 1806. So we stay with the our stop loss, and we have a short opportunity is running, let me see what happens, Hey guys, I just see the buy zone, but is this still telling me we have a stop loss? Our is a sell opportunity started 1806. Even though we have a little bit buy zone, it might be not going to be buy zone 7. Still not a panic. Let me see what happened. Which is I'm looking. It might be get more down. We have already stop loss 1806, is they just look like okay, that's good, it's a again we are 4, it means we are on the seller side. There is a lot of sellers in the market today, and it seemed to me we should not panic. If they have a seller, we should not panic. Similar, if we are have a buy opportunity, and even though we hit to the no direction, and the downside is we hit to the like a the like a sell zone. We should not panic. This is a market rhythm. So again have a little bit buy zone. That's look like a reversal. We have a stop loss 1806. Let me see what happened. Okay, we are hitting again the no direction is equal to 5, and as soon as hit the like 4, we have a more sellers are coming. So more sellers, I'm expecting to more sellers because market did not cross the hour 1804, which is opportunity, is a continued opportunity with the previous opportunity. And lot of people, they are taking the this time taking the like closing the trade, taking the profit, but I will stay in the trade. And all up to you guys. If you guys want to take the profit, this is good, round about 12 point, but I still stay in the trade because no direction is 5. This does not telling me to exit because we have a already short 1804 is still not across the 1804, and we have a stop loss 1806. So okay, it's a tough market today. So let me see what happens. And I am positive. Look, oh, it's hitting the like a sell zone again. It means if they hitting the sell zone, it will go more downs, and you will see the more sellers are putting. Once they have sell zone is coming 3, it means they're going downside more. We should not panic this kind of up and downs. Let me see what happens. If you guys want to take a profit, you guys can take it, but I stay in the trade. I stay in the trade because it did not show me the exit yet. They have a little bit reversal, but again on the same point is up and down. It's the crazy day. I'm looking. Let me see what happens. Let me see what happens. Look like crazy day. I just need a 4 or 5 point more. But I'm just watching the directions. The direction telling me to stay in the trade. It's still not an exit yet, and the forecaster, they still say 1804 didn't cross yet. If it is like for example, I just want to share my ideas. Let's say if it is a cross 1804 and hit our stop loss 80, it's I'm just looking the long, but it does not meaning it's long. It should be go to the half of this our area, but it's telling me, let me see, no direction, supposed to be go more than 6 if it is a long. Okay, it's no direction is equal to 4, so that's the telling me seller zone. Okay, let me see what happened. New opportunity. We already have a 13 point, and I'm expecting when they have a no direction 4, and we want to catch this opportunity. Okay, that's good. Sell zone is a 4. It means the more sellers are coming. So more sellers are coming. We will hitting the more downside. Okay, let me see what happened. I stay in the trade. A similar market does sometime when we have a buy and our zone is equal to 5 between the dancing back and forth. I'm not a panic. I have already this is a like a third opportunity. We want to see what happened today. Just I need a 1 candle down. nothing, no direction is 5. If the direction go back to the like a 6 and we have a long, we exit right the way. But our both criteria are not met yet, so we stay in our trade. For long opportunity has to be two supposed to be match, otherwise this is nothing, for me, not scaring me this market. Sell zone mean they have a more sellers. Sell zone 3 they have a like a more sellers. If they hit to the 2, oh okay, so then if we have a more sellers, it will go down more. Oh my goodness, look like that's I'm looking, they maybe have more sellers in the market will go down. I stay in this zone. I don't want to close my trade. Let we see what happens. Let me see what happened. That's good. And I should not worry about, because we already have a 19, my goodness, 19 point, 18 point. But I want to see what happens, because the sell zone is 4, that's telling me the more sellers in the market. So this all I'm doing the education purpose, and today is good day, for everyone is a happy. Look like I'm getting the too many responses, too many people sending the tweet, messages, wow. I'm just looking in the NYSE, is look like unbelievable. I never seen the seller like that. We have 90 million people are selling today. So I do watch the NYSE, and we have a special indicator for the NYSE. It's not included this package, but you can ask, send it to the inquiry if you need someone the information NYSE, how we correlate the trade with the NYSE, and that's not included the regular session. So seem to me we have a 90 million people are selling. That's they telling me the more sellers, and our software they telling me the direction is a 4, 5, 4 again. So that's they telling me the more sellers. I have no idea today. I stay in my trade. I don't want to exit. Let me see what happens. If once they hit to the direction is equal to 3, it will jump all the way down a couple of more points, Okay, sell zone, oh my goodness, it's already hit to the 3. That meaning is they're telling me the more selling pressures, So hopefully this will, we have it today is a, but I should not panic, like if they go like a one candle against us, I'm not a panic. Until my both criteria is met, I'm exit. If not met, I stay in my trade. We have a stop loss already. This third opportunity, we have a stop loss 1800. Oh, very good, excellent. Today man's like it's more than $1,000. So let me see what happened more is sell zone. When it is a sell zone hitting the like a 3, 4, that meaning is you can take it like more trades, because this is all education purposes. You guys can put more trades. Sell zone 3-2 means you have sometimes when they hit the sell zone 1, it is little bit bounce back, but I'm not worried about if they have a bounce back, that's good. 23 point, unbelievable. Once they have a sell like opportunity like that, never ever panic, never throw the buy in front of this, and never think a market will go back from here. No. And I'm just looking the like there is a more pressures in NYSE, and our software does not hit to the direction 6 and higher. So that's they telling me there is a no long, today. We have no long opportunity today. Let me see what happens. So if anyone they want to take it this time, this it's very good, $1,000 per trade today, like a one trade, one contract, and this opportunity not have every day. And it's also I'm detecting the like a sell zone 3 again. That's they're telling me the couple of more point is going down. Wow, I can't believe that. Thank you very much, you guys sending me the very good response. Hope you guys are making good money today. And I just only share my knowledge, how I get into trade and how I'm catching the trade. And it's not like some PhD. I'm doing the PhD is software calculated for you guys. And it's peace of mind. And you see the like how is the software designed, they guide you everything. And wow, I can't believe that. I can't believe that. Now I'm hitting the no direction 4 5. That's they telling me the more pressures. So I'm going to close this one, and hopefully we have a good day today, my friends. And see you next time in my trading rooms, and have a nice day.